Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Multistar DVR model and current firmware so you know which app and protocol to use. Next, connect the DVR to your router with an Ethernet cable and note its local IP address displayed in network settings. Once done, create or verify a remote viewing account on the DVR and set a strong password. This is how your mobile app will authenticate. Make sure local LAN access works before proceeding to remote configuration. Now configure networking. Assign a static IP or DHCP reservation so the DVR IP doesn't change. Then log into your router and forward the DVR's required ports, commonly HTTP and RTSP or any custom ports listed in the DVR manual, so external traffic reaches it. Once port forwarding is saved, install the official Multistar mobile app or a compatible client. In the app, enter the DVR's WAN IP or DDN. Finish by enabling DDNS on the DVR or router if your WAN IP changes regularly. Then test remote access from your mobile using cellular data so you avoid the local network. Once connected, adjust video quality, user permissions, and notification settings in the app for optimal performance. If it fails, check for double NAT, 2 routers, or ISP port blocking. If present, use router modem pass-through or a VPN/DDNS service. That troubleshooting step usually resolves most remote access issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.